This is St. Kalemba.
Mathias. And we are handling biodiesel production. One night prep, electricity went off. Now our school, we have a generator. And they took around 10 minutes to put it on, and we thought, I thought maybe there is no diesel. That inspired us is, after researching, we saw that biodiesel can be made from wastes, and there are lots of wastes that are produced in our environment. So we say that, what if we put these wastes to use? We produce biodiesel that is non-toxic compared to this other diesel from the petrol stations. Case, we are using vegetable oil, which we need 500 mils, and methanol, 100 mils, and a catalyst, potassium hydroxide, or sodium hydroxide. Hydroxide can also work, but potassium hydroxide is better. We shall add our fatty acid and the alcohol. There is neutralization, because our potassium hydroxide is reacting as the catalyst. And the process where this alcohol reacts with the glyceride is called transesterification. We shall form 3 molecules of the ester.
How to maintain the quality of biodiesel? The hydroxide should be made at least 93% pure, and the methanol should be made 91% pure. We should also our hydroxide should be handled in a less humid condition because it is hygroscopic.
We heat cooking oil in a pan
to a temperature of between 33 to 43. And we shall dissolve potassium hydroxide in our...
And the accept is very much biodiesel. You can put it out in an open place. Carry it out in a ventilated place. And you should carry it out to the other people.
And after we have heated it to a temperature of 34, so we shall add the potassium hydroxide mixed with the methanol, and we shall shake it vigorously for 5 minutes.
Yeah. Also, we have the advantages of biodiesel. If you compare biodiesel to the petroleum diesel, this one is less toxic.
And after this, we shall leave it for 24 hours. After 24 hours, this is the result after 24 hours. Our glycerol, which can be used in pharmaceuticals and also cosmetics and production of soap. And our biodiesel, we shall remove it and we shall filter it because it's crude. We shall add their distilled water. After adding distilled water, we shall cover it with a polythene bag, put it in the sun for the water to evaporate. And our biodiesel, which has been produced, is pure. It's good. First and foremost, biodiesel, we can test with the flame. Biodiesel burns with a less sooty flame compared to this other diesel. It is non-toxic and it is better off in engines because its lubricity it's better than the ones of the what?
This biodiesel is more of helping us to improve on the status of the environment. This fossil fuel is a pollutant to both water, land and air. So this biodiesel doesn't pollute anything because for it, it's totally renewable. That we wanted to eliminate the oil splittages in the environment because somebody can mean to use the oil and after that pours it out. After pouring that oil out, it's a damage to the soil.
What motivated us to produce biodiesel are the prices of fuel, especially diesel, which we commonly use. The diesel prices have been going up year by year. So we thought of what can we do to have our own diesel made locally. Take a look, we are using waste oil. At the canteen they sell lots of fried stuff. So we can source for that waste oil, which can be used to manufacture the biodiesel. The methanol we use is made from corn, meaning we don't buy it. So in the end of it all, we shall find that by using biodiesel, we've reduced the cost by 50% instead of someone buying fossil diesel.
this oil can be produced from soya beans, groundnuts, simsim. You know, if you're a farmer out there, you've produced your groundnuts, but it's in excess. You know, you don't want to sell it, dispose it off at cheaper prices. You know, another way is you can turn it into what? Biodiesel.
Another thing which made us come up with this is that this biodiesel, it's not a threat to the public, because even if we leave it exposed, but now for this one, it's the diesel from the fossils. We can't leave it open because it's flammable. But with the biodiesel, it isn't. Even if you leave it open, even if you lit a matchbox from here, it can't bring any harm to the public.
We imagined 50 years to come, where shall we get diesel from? So we had to come up with this project, which uses a renewable resource.
Vote for our project on the USEP Facebook page.